Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video we are going to have a look at Hotjar. Hotjar calls itself a behavior analytics tool, and it is much different than Google Analytics. Here you will be able to get heat maps of your website, you will be able to put messaging on your site, and you will be able to find out a lot of other information that Google Analytics will not provide you. So let me go ahead and sign in into my account first. So this does not require a credit card to sign up. You can go ahead and sign up for a free trial. And I have already created a free account, but I have not installed Hotjar on my website yet. So as soon as you sign up, you will be getting JavaScript code that you can place on your website. So I will go ahead and copy this code and then I will put it on my website. So I'm using a plugin called CSS and JavaScript Toolbox. So here you can see I will just go ahead and add a new code block and I will call this Hotjar. So let us check whether we have to place it in the head section or the footer section. So here it says that we have to place it in the head section. So location hook will be header. So I will go ahead and click on create. And I will just copy the JavaScript code here. I will make sure that this is displayed on the entire website and I will click on save. So this will basically load Hotjar Analytics code on every page of my blog Digital Deepak. So once that is done, I will also go ahead and clear my cache. So there is this plugin called W3 Total Cache, which creates cached pages of my website so that it does not put too much load on the server. So I will go back and click on verify installation and I will click verify. So basically this particular thing will go ahead and verify if it is already installed on the site. And it's a 15-day business trial for me. So it has started and here you can see there is no activity right now. So what we are getting here is analytics like heat maps. So basically heat maps right now, there are no page views, so heat maps cannot be created right now. So let's go and check the website once if the code is there on the website. You can also go ahead and check manually, and here you can see Hotjar's feedback plugin is available, and there is an experience rating thing. So I will go ahead and just put a neutral experience for now, and there is a feedback form as well. So here if I go ahead and look at my site dashboard, so here you can see responses in incoming feedback is 1, so which is something I just did. So this is something I did, so I will go ahead and just delete it. So we can wait for people to go ahead and give feedback on the site, which is one feature of Hotjar. And I can also go ahead and create polls. So if I want to create a poll, so let's say I will click on create new poll, and what brings you here, or may I know who you are? So this could be a good question, and we can randomize the order so that there is no bias. This I will remove. I just want to understand what kind of people visit my website. Here ask respondents to give their consent to correct their feedback data stored about them. That is not required for us. And we can go ahead and have a look at appearance. You can edit the appearance if you want. There is a bunch of options here. We can target it on desktops, tablets and mobile phones. Behavior immediately after the page loads. Forward response. So I can put an email ID of mine to go ahead and look at all the responses that are coming in. So I can give my email ID, mail@digitaldeepak.com. I can click on next. So here I have to say on all pages where Hotjar tracking code is installed. So that's it. We have built the poll, and if I go ahead and select poll, let's go ahead and save this first. Review and activate, put it as active and make it active. So this is one poll that I have created. So now I can have an idea idea about what percentage of my website visitors are entrepreneurs, what percentage is students, and what percentage are professionals. So let's go ahead and check if the poll shows up. So here you can see, as soon as I refresh the website, you can see student, entrepreneur, professional. This poll is showing up, and this is going to help me collect data on my website. Let's go ahead and see surveys. So you can go ahead and create surveys also. And here you can put some incoming feedback. So it says instant visual feedback. Give your visitors an easy way to leave visual feedback on your website or app and see what people like. So here you can basically put feedback settings specific to different areas of your website. So you can create forms. Here there is a section called funnels where you can go ahead and check how users are progressing from one stage of the funnel to other. So if I want to check how many people visit my website and then go ahead and check how many people visit my about me page, I can create a funnel for that. And there is something called user recordings. So basically Hotjar will record users movements inside the website. So here you can see, as soon as we have installed the Hotjar Analytics code, you have a bunch of people who have already visited the website, and I can see how these people actually behaved on my site. So here you can see there is a mobile visitor, and this person has basically went ahead and visited this particular page, and this person is scrolling through the page. So here you can see this is how it works, and I can basically skip pauses so that I can see. So this user has actually scrolled through the entire article, and this user has actually read the entire article, which means the content that I am publishing is working very well. So this kind of helps you go over user recordings one by one. So this is something that you get with Hotjar. So you can see that if I go and refresh this page, we still have 3 people who have been recorded, and it will also say whether it was from India or from which country, and you can go ahead and share this recording. So right now we don't have any heat maps available because no heat map data has been recorded yet, but once you install the analytics code on your site, and once you wait for a while, like maybe a few days, then you will start getting heat maps on the Hotjar login. So this is a very simple tool, and you have a free trial to go ahead and try it out how it works. And I definitely recommend that you go ahead and give it a try and find out what happens with your website. Even if you have very less traffic, you will still be able to go ahead and capture recordings, create funnels, create forms, and create some polls. So what I will do is that I will get back to this tool after a while and look at more data, and I will update this video. And you can see we already have one page view which has been recorded for the heat map, and here you can see people have visited the website, and some people have clicked on this particular link. So I know that okay, that particular link is attracting some attention, which is good information. So over time, I will be able to get a lot more detail on how visitors are behaving on my website. There are a bunch of other tools which do all the similar things that Hotjar does, and you can go ahead and try it as well. I will be creating reviews of them as well. So that's about it for this video. Go ahead and give it a try, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.